welcome. Welcome to Cleveland. Welcome. Welcome to Cleveland and Destination Success. We're so excited to welcome you to Hotel Cleveland this year for this 4-day incredible event. This year we welcome over 40 suppliers to our general sessions and breakouts. We welcome almost 100 to our trade show. And don't forget, we've got our KHM team members and agents presenting as well. Registration is still available both for in-person and virtual. Don't forget to register for your classes opening May 15th. Book your hotel room at Hotel Cleveland. Order more business cards because you will need them. And don't forget to get some rest between now and July because it's going to be a very busy week. We look forward to seeing you in July at Hotel Cleveland, where you get to chart your course for 4 days at Destination Success. Gotta go, guys. My train's here.